Make sure na mahikaray ko. I'm not sure if you're still... What's up with you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Catherine, your wanderlust traveler, and today we're not traveling. Like, bagong segment to sa aking channel, guys. Actually, hindi. I've already made this kind of video long time ago, like 5 years ago, 4 years ago. Then I stopped because I realized it's so hassle and it needs so much effort. So I stopped, and then I find my way back again because why not? I've been living in this new beautiful space and I want to have a makeover of it. So I decided, why not bring back the DIY videos? Like, oh my god. Okay guys, for our third project, for the living room, we already did our pot and the stand and also the garland decor for my vase. And now, gagawa tayo ng apat na parang frame, picture frame, but not my picture, but for my goal or vision goal. So we need like four I think A4 or any kind na gusto nyong size ng frame. I prefer 4 A4 size para mas madaling i-print yung color sa bond paper. So I found this document frame in A4 in Mr. DIY store, and it's only like, I'll put the price here, I forgot, but it's only like less than 50 baht something. So I bought 4 of these. Gusto ko yung ano niya, gold detail niya, but I don't like the block frame here. So I've decided to match because binili ko kasing dress for my couch is a light brown. To match my frame with the couch, I will like change the color but still in bohemian style or vibe. So i-wrap ko tong black na to sa aking rope from the dollar store. It's like a twig. I don't know what it's called, honestly speaking. To all professional DIYers dyan. Ano ba to? It's, I'm not quite sure what it really called, but it's a rope na pang something, pang arts and craft. I bought it 20 baht from a 20 baht store. So, tanggalan na natin yung cellophane. Ayan. Yan. So, ito na yung, gusto yung gold detailing na dito. So, hindi ko siya tatakpan. Yung black lang dito. Sobrang dali lang din ito, guys. I really love this idea kasi hindi na ako magpipintura, which is wala na nga akong pintura. So, what I'm going to do is like an inch or like, basta magtira ka ng maliit. And then, let's wrap this one na parang paikot lang. Yung kagaya ng garland na ginawa natin. Ayan. Make sure na mahikaray ko. I'm sorry guys, but I am so clumsy. Ayan. Make sure na hindi mo siya na-align sa gold. I-arrange lang din natin yan mamaya. But make sure na kung gusto may gold details, gusto ko kasi yung gold details niya, kaya hindi ko siya tatakpan. So, iikot mo lang siya, make sure na mahigpit yung pagkakaikot mo para it will be in place. So, itong ano na to guys, ito siya, para ma-lock siya, let's like turn around, yung ganon. I hope nakikita. Para mag-lock siya. Ganon. And make sure guys, yung sa likod, hindi nyo natatakpan yung parang ano niya, para pagbukas ng board, para lagyan ng picture. Pwede nyo namang lagyan ng picture. at while nagre-record siya, yung ginagawa ko yung malapit na akong matapos at hindi na pala siya nag-record. Anyways, yun lang guys, yung kanina yung na-record ko, ulit mo lang siya i-roll, tapos anuhin mo lang siya, nilagyan ko ng mga stick glue dito, hot glue para para mas maging matibay, and then ikot mo lang siya ng ikot, and then para makita yung gold detailing, nilagyan ko dito sa gilid ng konting glue para hindi siya kung saan pumupunta. So, ayan. So, ito na ang ating final product. So, ito na ang ating third project sa ating living room makeover. So, ayan. As you can see, wala pa siyang picture. Hindi pa ako nag-print ng picture. Lalagyan ko siya ng picture, guys, pag nakapag-print na ako at during my video of creating a makeover of our living space. Okay guys, so we already made our first project, second project, third, and we are now going to make our fourth project. I know it seems odd because I keep changing my clothes and the background medyo malinis siya ngayon because I actually take my projects per day. Like, yung isang project ko, yung aking pot and stand for the floor, it takes like 1 day, and isa, second day, third day. And ngayon, this is the last day. That I'm gonna shoot the fourth video of our DIY project. And I'm so excited guys kasi it just popped up in my head. Like, nahirapan talaga ako kung anong gagawin ko sa vase. Like, I already have this idea that I get from a DIY YouTube. Then suddenly, like, kailangan ko pang bumili ng bagong materials, which I already have some materials. I just need to, like, use them and create out of them. So, yun nga guys, yung nakita nyo, yung garland. Kasi guys, yung nakita nyong garland, meron siyang vase dun sa plastic na bulaklak. And then, suddenly, after that video, like, naglilinis na ako, naglipit. Out of accident and my clumsiness, nahulog siya at and it's gone. I threw it away. So, it also saddens me and break my heart because yung vase na yon is binili ko pa siya sa Cambodia when I went there. But, well, let's just move on. So now, I am going to make another new vase. Like, ayokong bumili. Like, it's a DIY, so why not make a DIY vase? So, ang plano ko, gumawa ng isang, parang nakita ko sa YouTube channel na isang vase, but I suddenly realized, like, I already have this materials, then why just not make out of it? So, I already have this can. Like, it's a Dutch 3-in-1 cocoa milk na can. So, I love the shape and yeah, gusto ko siya. Meron pa akong itong parang tali. So, why not make use of it? And then, I'm gonna also have acrylic paint. Ngayon guys, acrylic na talagang gagamitin ko to avoid any like, repeat of coating and coating. Kasi yung last time na gumamit ako ng poster paint, it doesn't really work. Yung isang malaking poster paint, naubos ko talaga. And it still doesn't get the perfect white that I want. So, I decided to buy the acrylic paint. So, paiinitin ko lang yung aking glue gun. Okay. So, ayan. Painitin muna natin ating glue gun. So, ayan guys, mainit na yung ating hot glue. What are we going to do with this can is that we're going to wrap it all around itong parang twig. So, comment down below guys kung ano ba talaga to. Kasi hindi ko talaga alam kung anong tunay niyang pangalan. But I just found it in a craft store, $20. I found it in a craft store. It's a 20-baht store here in Thailand. So, para siyang sa stationery. So, yeah. So, what we're going to do is that we're going to put the glue first. Kasi i-cover natin siya. Yan. here. So, kung feel nyo, meron pa siyang space yan, babalik tayo dyan. So, no need naman na i-glue nyo lahat kasi just put some here na konti, tapos glue nyo dyan. Yan. Like, hindi nyo na need na i-glue talaga lahat yung can. So, yung ano lang, yung by inch na pag-glue. So ngayon guys, ang gagawin natin dahil na-connect na natin siya, so we're going to go to the second layer here. So same procedure lang hanggang dumating ka sa pinaka-bottom. Sobrang ganda ng pagkakaano niya, pagkaka-roll. So, ugupitin lang natin to. And then let's put some hot glue to secure also yung end niya. Yan. O, diba? Perfect. So, as you can see, meron pa kayong makikita dito na parang white. So, parang red yung lata. So, what gagawin natin is, we'll like iikutan din natin siya ng tali para malinis tingnan. Okay. So, diba? Tingnan nyo guys, it's so pretty. Yung parang ang ganda niya tingnan. So, pipinturahan natin yung half nito ng acrylic paint na white para hindi naman siya masyadong boring. So, I have my acrylic paint here and my brush. So, ito lang ang ipipaint natin guys. Itong half niya. So, this one. So, hopefully, mag-work na itong acrylic paint ko. Yan. So, ganyan. Natin siyang i-paint and then papatuyuin lang natin siya sa labas. Make it more beautiful. O, diba? So, papatuyuin natin siya sa labas, guys.